Page number 126, 9b. Example problem, most important problem. Show that the equations of the common tangent to the circle x square plus y square equal to a square and the parabola y square equal to 8ax is y equal to plus or minus x plus 2a. Equation of the common tangent to the circle and the parabola. Listen carefully. This is the most important problem. So given a circle and a parabola, find the equation of the common tangent. This is a x square plus y square equal to 2a square So its center is 0, 0. R value is a root 2a. Parabola equation y square equal to 8ax. Listen. First listen carefully. Given parabola is a listen. Y square equal to 8ax. 4a value 8a. 4 2 times cancel. So a value 2a. We take this equation of the tangent in the slope form. What is the slope form? Y equal to mx plus a by m. Given a value is 2a. So y equal to mx plus a value 2a by m. We want this answer. Then we calculate the value of m. So this is the parabola part. First take the parabola. 4a value 8a, a value is 2a. Equation of the tangent in the slope form where a value is 2a. So this part is over. This equation number 1 touches the circle. When a line touches the circle, condition is r equal to d. By using r equal to d formula, we calculate this m value. That is the procedure. Write the notes. Given parabola is diagram also. Given parabola is y square equal to 8ax, 4a equal to 8a, fourth table 2 times cancel. So a value 2a. Next write equation of the tangent, equation of the tangent in the slope form, in the slope form is, take this one, y equal to mx plus 2a by m. We apply this formula, y equal to mx plus a by m. This is the parabola part. Next, given circle is x square plus y square equal to 2a square x minus 0 whole square y minus 0 whole square root 2a whole square. Therefore, center capital C 0 0 and radius R equal to root 2a. Next, given equation number 1 touches the given circle. Equation number 1 touches the given circle. Therefore, R equal to D. Listen, first listen. R value root 2a. What is D? D is the distance from center to the line. So center is 0 0. Listen, modulus of ax1. This one becomes to minus y plus c by under root m square plus minus 1 whole square mx minus y plus 2a by m. We apply this straighten equation. R value root 2a, D value distance from the center modulus of a x1 b y1 plus c by under root a square plus b square. Simplify that one by cross multiplication. Root 2a into under root m square plus 1 equal to 2a by m. Next, squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. Take this diagram also. Squaring on both sides. Two a square into m square plus 1. 2a square root 2 square cancel. 4 a square by m square. A square cancel. 2 times cancel. By cross multiplication, m power 4 plus m square equal to 2. m power 4 plus m square minus 2. Split into factors. m power 4 plus 2m square minus 1m square minus 2. Take m square common. m square plus 2. Take minus 1 common. m square plus 2. m square plus 2 into m square minus 1 equal to 0. Therefore, m square plus 2 equal to 0. m square equal to minus 2. m value under root minus 2. Not possible. Not possible. Take second one. m square minus 1 equal to 0. m square equal to 1. m value plus or minus 1. Substitute this value. Substitute m equal plus or minus 1 in the first equation. Y equal to m value plus or minus 1 into x plus 2a by m value plus or minus 1. Take plus or minus common. X plus 2a. X plus 2a. Listen again. Given a parabola and a circle, find the equation of the common tangent. So first take parabola equation. Y square equal to 8x. 4a value 8a. A value 2a. Take equation of the tangent in the slope form. Y equal to mx plus a by m, where a value is 2a. 2a by m. Parabola part is over. Next, this line touches the circle. We want this m value. For that one, this line touches the circle. So we apply r equal to d. R is the radius. D is the distance from center to the line. Modulus of ax1 minus 0 plus 2a by m by m square plus 1 square by cross multiplication. Next, squaring on both sides. We get a biquadratic equation in m. So split into factors. We get m square plus 2, m square minus 1 m square plus 2 equal 0. M square value minus 2. M value under root minus 2. M square minus 1 equal 0. M square equal 1. M value plus or minus 1. Under root minus 2 is not possible. So substitute this m value in the first equation, plus or minus 1. Plus or minus 1. Take plus or minus common. X plus 2a. Next, another problem, same page, example 30.